A tradition inspired by nature. A craft perfected by technology. A future powered by green energy. A vision driven by people. A journey towards excellence. LS Mills. In 1979, a quiet little hamlet, Theni, in the south of Tamil Nadu, India, the home to a dream, laid its foundation. A dream to be seen and recognized as a force creating its own identity in the home textile market. The effort that went into creating the dream into reality is now visible due to its approach towards commitment and constant innovation. Boundaries were pushed and excellence became the benchmark. At the helm of a team of proficient experts in the field lies the astute guidance, expertise and vision of our Managing Director, Mr. S. Manivannan. Vision is the ability to see things unseen, and the vision they share has often propelled LS Mills towards borders scarcely explored, yet conquered. LS Mills spins yarn, utilizing selected cotton varieties from different parts of the world, including Supima, Egyptian, and other fine varieties of Indian cotton. Our spinning division works round the clock to produce several tons of fine yarn every day. Using a judicious mix of conventional methods, people-monitored processes and state-of-the-art technology, we constantly focus on retaining the purity of our natural fabrics, regardless of any constraints. We also specialize in producing yarns that are indigenous blends of specialized fibers such as tencel, modal, linen, refibra and bamboo. Keeping in line with the increasing global demand for quality woven cotton, the transition and progress from spinning to weaving was a natural process. However, our focus was on detail. With an eye for the smallest details, every weft and warp had to meet our exacting standard of quality and our customers' requirements. The latest line of Benninger sizing and warping machines and Sudokoma air jets ensure that our production needs are met with ease and with no compromise on quality. With rigorous benchmarks in quality, our weaving division is fully equipped to meet the daily demand for grey fabric varieties. Quality truly is our driving force. The vertical circle is complete with the manufacture of different categories of bed linen as the finished product emerges from the in-house, state-of-the-art automated stitching facility. Our highly talented, well-trained and innovative pool of designers have ensured that our products have created a special niche in elite markets of the world. We believe that quality is a habit that is entrenched in every fiber of our existence. As an ISO 9001 certified company, we have adopted offline and online measures to monitor and continuously assess our various streamlined processes for compliance as per global standards. Our production assembly line is well equipped for a smooth and seamless delivery of the end product that ensures customer satisfaction. Each piece of fabric is meticulously checked and passed over. Our packaging process protects the quality and integrity of the products during transportation, while the well-planned dispatch process ensures timely delivery at the final destination. At LS Mills, we constantly endeavor to ensure work conditions and safety measures match world standards. We have achieved this through the consistent development of skill, knowledge and productivity of our workforce with frequent and specialized training. We are deeply committed to women's empowerment by creating a learning and inclusive environment for women that proactively encourages them to learn, earn and grow. At LS Mills, we dream of a clean and green environment. We have made significant investments in green energy and look forward to being self-sufficient by generating almost 90% of our entire power requirement through solar and windmills. We have installed a water recycling plant to minimize water wastage and ensure optimal usage of the recycled water. Our commitment towards Go Green, sustainability, environment and fair trade practices have earned us several industry credentials. In recognition of our best practices and commitment to quality, we have been bestowed with several awards. Quality is a habit. At LS Mills, it runs in every fiber of ours. LS Mills shapes the fabric of your life. LS Mills, passion beyond excellence.